Hello, I'm Larinya Bharti and I am 12 years old and I love writing and making arts. So today I'll be telling you guys some recommendations of books if you are having trouble in finding the best book for yourself, and also I'll be telling my journey of writing books.
2000 years later.
So by what I remember, I started writing books when I was 9 years old, and the first book which I made was of Butterbeans Cafe, which is a cartoon, and I just thought of recreating an episode out of it, but the problem is that I lost that book, and that is why I'll consider this one as the first book which I made. It's The Secret Cave. In this story, I have written about a village where there is a cave, and people consider that there is a ghost haunting it, but it turns out that it is a thief. So the basic character of this book are these. Well, let's move on. Well, now I would like telling all the books which I have made all these years. So they are like many I have made. So let me show you. They are so many actually. So I'll show them one by one. How I got my pet mouse. This is real. This is real as I actually got my pet mouse in the past. So it is related to that. The next book is this one, The Battle Between Three Best Friends. So a tragic thing happened with me while making this. I wrote kings, but then I had to write best friends, so that is why it is like this here. Other than that, this book is actually a bit like a white and black, and only the preface is colored so much. So then we have Who Watches Me Part 1, and it's Part 2. So Part 1 is basically a normal like book kind. So it's like that. It's a normal book, and Part 2 is like a comic. So then we have Unexpected Fortune. It is a very good book in my opinion because it simply tells about being nice to people, and if you will be nice to others, the thing will come back. So it's basically as you sow, so shall you reap. Next is Incredible, but it basically got ruined. I made this like I guess 2 years ago. Then this Whispers of a Ghost, and then we have Trip to Korea. Then we have Mind Reader Teacher, and then The Cat and the Mouse. It's from a movie, I forgot its name. Then we have Revenge for Others. It is one of the best covers I have made of all time, and also from inside also it looks like the preface etc. It looks very pretty. There is one more book which I am having, this one, but it is not secured at all. It is like from both the side it is like this, so it is not secured at all, but it is my favorite book, like the best one I made till now. And also I got this inspiration from two fan fiction writers on YouTube, Amberk and It's Daydream. I'm working on this book, it's not done yet. So my inspiration in writing books was my spoken English teacher Pooja ma'am. She taught me first how to make the books and how to write stories, and since then I am obsessed. There is one bad habit I am having is that I make the covers and pages etc. But then later on when I find that later on I think that they are useless or maybe they are not interesting, they just get down. And because of that reason I came up with an idea of writing the best part of that book, the one which I am making, so that it will not get dumped again. And that is why I started making some of journals regarding it, so that I will not get uninterested. My favorite books are like which I read are these two. One of Us is Lying, and the famous Five Fall into Adventure. This is like of middle grade and this is of YA. So with that, let's move ahead with recommendations. So I kind of like researched a lot to find books which suit every age, and I found the best one I could. So let me show you.